This 2019 Forest River Cherokee 274 VFK is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Epsom, New Hampshire, 03234 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV New Hampshire. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 33 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 5, Slideout, and 46 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front kitchen, rear bedroom, 2 entry/exit doors. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.